privileged and proud moment to welcome you all on this day of revealing our first, in fact, India's first in-car magazine, which will guide all tourists to explore Goa's culture, tasty food, and those beautiful destinations which are our pride, but hardly visited by any of our state visitors till date.
India's first in-cab magazine titled Travel Miles. Travel Miles is the maiden product of Media Miles, which is a media enabler company that has branched out of Goa Miles. Media Miles aims to capture the necessary impression that any company would require to have their brand promoted and penetrated. Goa, popularly known as a tourist's paradise, offers unending entertainment, rejuvenation and thrilling opportunities. But to choose what is best suited for your pocket, interest and taste is a task. And that's where exactly we plan to step in through this venture.
Today's moment is something memorable for us since we are trying to work out and connecting all the dots into tourism industry. And as an organization, this is the first task for us when we start a Goa Mile. It's not a business for us to power mobility from point A to point B. Rather, we want to give the benefit, or rather we want to make a win-win situation for all the stakeholders from the industry, though it could be associated with transport or non-transport. For example, our best efforts now after Goa Mile 1.0 or the 2.0. On the screen I put some numbers over here, and if you can just browse through that. So this is the journey for us for the last 16 months, what we achieved so far when Goa Mile has been started. So I proudly say that it's almost 1,600 active vehicles out of registered 1,900 vehicles which are there with us. We have crossed almost 4 lakh trips. That encompasses, almost 1 million passenger experience over there. If I consider a 2.5 passenger per vehicle, that's considering the average of 2 or 3 people.
First of all, I'm congratulating for the Goa Miles for starting their Travel Mile magazine, the first in-car magazine in the state of Goa. Definitely, this magazine will give the ideas about the different touristic spot wherever, and most of the time, the many tourists have not explored that spots. And also regarding the cuisines, they'll give the idea, and even though where and exactly the locations of this tourism restaurant. The second, congratulations for all the award winners of the Goa Mile staffs. Congratulations for all of you. Wonderfully, you are doing a good job. I think the Goa Miles started the well-organized business in the state of Goa. Earlier, this is the travel business. Actually is not in organized manner. With the safety, security of the tourist, you are taking care, and of course the rate, which also you are taking care. Now the initial stage, there is very much pressure on me when you are initially started the Goa Miles. So many people, so many organizations, so many associations, they put the pressure to at least stop this Goa Miles, otherwise you convert that in other app, and so many things. Otherwise restrict them from here, restrict them from there. But there are just so many people, so many other organizations also stood behind me firmly, and they supported me. Well, my cabinet colleagues also, they have supported me. So no, this time we won't ban, because many of times the more and more tourist people wants to come to Goa, and if there some people, I think they'll spoil the name of the state of Goa because of this, the taxi purpose, then it is won't bear it. That's why we have supported for the Goa Miles, and definitely you people have already, I think more than 1,900 people all on board. Now the more and more people from the Goa, the local people will come and they'll join you. In future, I think not you'll prosper, but along with you, the tourism will also prosper. The even new destination, even new the peoples who comes, they'll get good services, and that is more important.